Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to import bookmarks from Bookmarks file to Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on You and Google. You will be landed to You and Google settings page. Under You and Google section, click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. Now click on the drop-down arrow and select Bookmarks HTML file from the menu. Click on Choose File. Locate the bookmarks file on your computer and click Open. That's it, all the bookmarks are imported. Click Done to close the dialog box. As you can see at the top, all the bookmarks are imported to Google Chrome. This is how you can import bookmarks from Bookmarks file to Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.